Do your nails break the minute they grow? That's because everything you've been taught about nail growth is completely wrong. So today, I'm sharing with you the exact 5-step nail routine that I have taught over 100 clients that will stop your breakage and actually grow you the natural nails you desire. But before we dive into step 1, you must understand how your nails grow out, because if you skip this, you will never get results. Even though you've been told to focus on the white tip of your nails for growth, that is not actually where nail growth starts. Just like plant growth starts at the root, your nail growth starts at the root as well. And here is why this is so crucial to understand. If the base of your nails here is weak, it's going to keep growing up to the tip, and that is how you stay stuck on a cycle of breakage for years. So that is why the simple routine I'm going to show you today is all about strengthening the base of your nails, so by the time it grows out to the tip, it's much stronger and you won't run into the issue of constant breakage. And the first step to doing this routine is to not apply nail polish on weak and peeling nails. Do this instead. I know every single YouTube video you have seen has told you to apply nail polish on your nails to protect them, but that does not apply to weak peeling nails. You see, back in 2020, one of the main reasons why my nails looked so bad was because I was constantly polishing them to hide the damage. But the reality was that years of breakage was a sign that the base of my nails here was weak. And every single time I would apply and remove polish, I would put more stress on a weak nail base, which only made it weaker. So instead of polishing your weak nails, I recommend taking a break from nail polish until all the breakage and peeling is off your nails. Now, taking a break from nail polish is a first step to allowing your nails to grow, but if you skip step 2, they will continue to break, which is you do not moisturize dry nails with lotion, but with this. Yes, dry nails do break more easily, but one of the biggest mistakes I see a lot of YouTube videos make is that you do not moisturize nails with lotion. And here is why. Imagine that your nails are like this sponge. When you apply lotion to the sponge, the lotion just sits on top of the sponge and does not absorb into it and hydrate it. And the same exact thing happens to your nails when you apply lotion. Lotion may give your nails a silky, moisturized feeling on the outside, but it leaves your nails dry and brittle on the inside, which is why they keep breaking. So instead of lotioning your nails for moisture, use nail growth oil. Just like oil is able to absorb into and hydrate a sponge, it's able to absorb into and hydrate your nails from within. All you do is apply your nail growth oil from root to tip at least once a day for 15 seconds to keep the breakage away. Now, if you want even stronger nails, then you cannot skip step 3, which is you do not get stronger nails by using a nail hardener, but by doing this. I had a client who swore by nail hardeners. She felt that if she did not have a nail hardener on her nails at all times, that they would crumble and break. But the funny thing was, even though she was always wearing nail hardeners, her nails were still breaking. And here's why. Imagine for a second that your nails were like this piece of plastic. They are able to bend and not break when a slight bit of pressure is put on them. But when you apply a nail hardener to your nails, it's like turning this piece of plastic into glass. Sure, this glass may feel harder on the outside, but we both know when the slightest bit of pressure is put on this glass, it will shatter it completely. And the same exact thing happens to your nails when you apply a nail hardener. It makes your nails so hard they break even more easily. So here is what I recommend doing instead. A weekly nail oil soak, which is a deep moisturizing mask for your nails. All you do is pour a little jojoba oil into a bowl, soak your nails in it for 10 minutes, and then you rinse. And when you do this over time, your nails will get stronger, just like it did for my client. Now that your nails are growing and strong, I know you want to give them a nice feminine shape, but not so fast. Using the wrong nail file can make or break your nails. Which leads us into step number 4. Do not file your nails with a regular nail file, but this specific type of file. When I first started my nail journey, I was completely clueless. I would just go on Amazon, find the cheapest pack of files that I could find, and saw away at my nails. Over time, what I noticed was that my nails start to jag and split, and after doing some research, I realized it was a regular nail file. It was way too rough for my natural nails, so that is why I switched to a Czech glass nail file. This glass nail file is way softer for your natural nails and won't cause it to jag and split. You just file your nails in one direction either once a week or once every 2 weeks to have a nice shape. So your nails are growing and are well shaped, but you are not done. Having long nails with a bunch of dirt underneath will completely cancel out your neat look. So now we have step 5, which is you do not scrub your nails to clean. You do this instead to clean them. One thing I tend to notice when I'm online is that when I see videos about cleaning nails, I see a lot of harsh scrubbing with brushes. And here is why this is a problem. Imagine for a second that your nails were just like your skin. If your skin was dirty, would you take a brush like this and rub it aggressively against your skin to clean it? Of course not. That would damage your skin. And your nails are the same exact way. So instead of harshly cleaning your nails with these brushes, do this. While you're washing your hands, take a wooden stick like this and gently put it underneath your nails to remove all the dirt. Then rinse the dirt off. This will remove any excess dirt from underneath your nails and keep them clean. So this 5-step routine will grow your nails, but make sure you avoid these 10 mistakes that will break your nails.